All right, hey you guys, you have made it to the very last video, number 5. We are going to be talking about key price levels. What the heck are they? Where do I find them? How do I plot them on my chart? How do I trade them? All that good stuff. So we're going to jump really quick into what they are, or actually we're going to jump into where do we find them, right? That's probably an important aspect or piece of it. So if you want to find them, simply put, you're going to go into the Discord channel here. If you are in Young Money Live, or sorry, Young Money Premium, they're going to be here in Elite KPL. If you are in Young Money Live, they are going to be in Daily Trade Plan, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Down here, you're going to see ES Top, ES Bottom, MBT, that is the micro Bitcoin. ES is the E-mini S&P 500 contract. And these numbers here, I'm going to show you what they are. They pertain to the buffer zone. Down here, I will post, my general trade plan or my general ideas sometimes about all of these, about these levels. But you can find these right here, and then you can draw these and transfer these to your chart. I might end up starting something else where I can attach a link to Thinkorswim down here so that they will just automatically populate on your chart. That's an option. That's something I'm working on. But one of the things we'll talk about is Thinkorswim and what they are, how do they, what happens once we plot them. Well, first thing we're going to do, I'm going to talk a little bit here really quickly on those numbers that we saw. Remember I said, I'm actually go back to this real quick. We're going to go over here. I'm going to move that. And remember, I said ES top is 12, positive 12 minus 10, bottom is plus 12 minus 13. What on earth are those numbers? Well, what those are is the buffer zone. So if we were to tap on this line here, you're going to notice that this is plus 12. And then you're going to notice that this is minus 10. If I can get down there perfectly, minus 10. So when I post that in Discord, you know exactly how large this buffer zone is. And you might go, I've never seen a buffer zone that is like diagonal like this. Yes, it is a proprietary strategy that I have created. I've never seen anyone else do it like this. But simply put, every single day, and I'm going to slide this over here, you get micro Bitcoin right here. You get the S&P right here. I'm going to just zoom in and take a look at the S&P 500 though. And we're going to take a look right here. And I'm going to explain how you use key price levels. Very simply put, you are going to want to, as soon as it touches this level at whatever time it ends up touching it, you're going to want to take a short or have a short position, a limit order on to take a short here or to take a long position up here. Very simply put, you go long above a KPL and you go short below the KPL. So if we were to take a long right here and we were to stop out down here, I would take about a 12.5 point loss, but I would be short then and looking for a continuation down. I would be then short from this bottom key price level down here after taking that stop, and I would be holding, I'd be taking half off at any given point. It depends on the day, it depends on the price action, it depends on a few of the other levels and things like that, but I'll take half off and then usually let the other half ride until the end of day. Now, if we were to get long right here, I would be looking to take profit at the following KPL. So mainly what you want to know is that when you're trading key price levels, there is just two price levels. That's how simple and easy it is to trade these. But what you're doing is you're looking for a long position on here. And again, you would be looking to probably, depending on your trading style, be looking to take half off at some point in between these two key price levels, and then looking to cover your entire position up here at the following key price level. Again, very simple, long above, short below, long above, short below. So if you're trading right here and we were to not get a long from here, once we moved up into here, we'd be looking for a short, and we'd be looking to then hopefully get it to come on back down here to the bottom key price level and make our points. It's very simple, very, very basic. There's a multitude of different ways and variations that you can actually trade these as well. The basis of the strategy is very simple. I mean, if we look at Friday though, this is a great example of just how lucrative and profitable key price levels are, because we post these the night before, right? I mean, take a look at this. So we did not get the long here, unfortunately, on Friday night. We did not, I mean, we were literally a couple points away. We did not get, or sorry, the short. We did not get the short there, and that would have been a move of about 50 points, 51 points. We missed that. But here's the big deal. We took a long right here. We took a long right, actually right here, ended up stopping out down here for a 10-point loss. But what happened once the loss was taken? Well, we took a stop loss there, and we were able to ride this thing out for 100 points almost. I mean, we're talking 90 points. That's 900% on this move down here. Now, overall, you know, you would have taken some profits again, somewhere probably down here in the 40 to 50 point range, which I did. But on your last half, on my last half, I was able to make 900%. It's absolutely crazy. It's insane. The amount of potential profits that you have to make on a daily basis by trading key price levels is quite remarkable, quite incredible. But it's a very simple strategy. That is literally all we're doing. I have some golden lines on there as well. Maybe I should also explain what some of these other lines are real briefly. So we're actually we'll go back here really quick. These golden lines, these are weekly point of controls. This is where most of the volume occurred on a previous week. So for example, if it's on the previous week, you're going to have point of controls, you're going to have volume nodes, things like that. Those are all going to be on the chart. So these are potentially other areas you want to look out for. And at the end of the day, it's like I said, it's just very simple. It's very straightforward. It's not a lot of, a ton of lines, a ton of, this and that. Trading it does get complicated, but really long above, short below, that's all you got to remember. And I hope you're excited to get going in trading with me. And if you have any questions, leave that in either the main chat, in the free chat, anywhere. Let me know. There's a lot of great members in the group. We're excited to help you. We're excited to have you in the group, and I'm excited for you to bring your knowledge, your wisdom, and your desire to learn. Because at the end of the day, it's those that want to learn that end up succeeding. So I'll catch you in the group and maybe in some other videos. And if you have any questions, DM me or drop a message in chat. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.